Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. The two Johns in the workshop, John G and John D, have been very busy working on converting some of our most popular Zemo sound files to the ESU format for the first time. This time we have the popular Class 40 Proto Drive sound project. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, as always, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you're interested in getting sound or non-sound decoders installed in your locos, please get in touch with our workshop team, either by email johng@digitrains.co.uk or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.